Hi, this is a special drum that we make. We call it the healing drum. It's only made to order. I don't make them stock. Um, the hoop is cedar and it's painted with red ochre, which is the sacred clay that people have been buried with to represent life and death since, caveman times. It has the four different elements plus spirit. For the air, it responds with clarity, and the fire is strength, the water is love, the earth is balance, and the spirit is healing. So this is what it sounds like. Thank you.